So it looks like to kick off the year, we're going to have to get us a new pressure washer hose. Yeah, looks like that pinhole got a little bit bigger, and we're going to have to replace that. Is his diaper? So this is exactly why I absolutely love going to camp. The smile on this kid's face just to come sit on the mower with me is just, you can't even explain the enjoyment I get out of this. Okay, ready? Come on.
Daddy, watch this.
Whoa. Now we're over at the second place, getting all set up, ready to mow these 2 acres and get them ready for the weekend. Alright, so this is Camp Harv, and we gotta run the pressure washer, get it all cleaned up from all that winter scum that's laying on it. So I got Mila behind the pressure washer here, taking care of it, and yeah, she's doing a fine job. She's new to this, but she's getting it done. So we're gonna clean it up and make her shine. Get in there! Get in there! Get in there! Get that grass off! Nice! Go, get in there! Get in there! Let me give it help.
Dad, are you making your camp video? Are you making your camp videos?
So right there is why I make these videos. So I work a lot, and it's pretty cool when I come home from work and my kids are getting ready for school and they're connected to Richie B TV. So they can always just kind of, imagine what we do up there, and, can't wait to get back up there and enjoy what fun we do have. So yeah, of course I make these videos.
Is this the best day ever or what?
What?
Is this the best day ever or what?
This is the best day ever. Right. Where you going?
Daddy, too.
Come on, we'll go back down this way and walk. I got you. Wiping on my pants. Oof. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good job, buddy. This is the best. This is the best. My man's first day. He's out here killing it. Keep going. He's killing it in the track. Undefeated. Go ahead, Daddy's right behind you. I'll race ya. We'll get out here in the rainstorm. It's getting wet. Come on, we'll go over here. I'm coming. What's up, buddy? Get a big scoop. You lose control.
Daddy.
Hit it. Hit reverse, kid. Put it in reverse. Put it in reverse.
No. Ah! Guys. Oh, okay.
Hit it, kite. What you got? Okay. Nice job. You walked right through that, no problem. Want to go back through? Good, we'll go take your tractor on the other side.
No, my treasure. My castle. Because I'm right. No, Daddy.
What?
Right back.
Oh, okay, I'll follow you. Woogie. You ain't getting my bandana all dirty, are you, boy? Go ahead. Go clean it off. Clean the bucket off. There you go. You see? Yep. What do you put in your bucket?